Hi, I'm Michael Josh. You're watching Gadget Match, and we're here at CES 2019 in Las Vegas. Remember the Huawei MateBook X Pro? That was one of our favorite Windows laptops of 2018. Well, here at CES 2019, Huawei is introducing a similar model, but one that's more affordable. This is our Huawei MateBook 13, hands-on. This is the new MateBook 13. Just like its more premium brother, it looks great on the outside with a glossy aluminum finish, curved edges, and chamfers. It's designed to feel soft but withstand scuffs and scratches. When you open the laptop, the first thing that stands out is its display, with its more traditional 3:2 aspect ratio, giving you more vertical screen real estate. Like the MateBook X Pro, the display on the MateBook 13 is almost edge to edge, and it's pretty stunning. Thanks to these super slim bezels, it's got an 88% screen-to-body ratio. This 2K touchscreen panel is both bright and with great contrast. The MateBook 13 comes in two configurations, an i5 model with integrated graphics, and for those who need more power, an i7 model with a discrete graphics card. And to compensate for all that power and performance in this really small form factor, Huawei is promising better thermal performance with what it's calling its SharkFin 2.0 fan system. Both models are estimated to last you between 8 to 10 hours on a single charge, depending on the task. And Huawei includes a fast charger that can get you 2.5 hours of use with a 15-minute charge. The bundled USB-C charger is also designed to charge your smartphone with no issue. On the downside, like most laptops of its size, the MateBook 13 only comes with two USB-C ports, one for charging and one a display port for connecting your device to an external monitor. On the bright side, Huawei bundles this adapter, giving you HDMI, VGA, USB-A, and an extra USB-C port. As a MacBook Pro user, I particularly like its extra-large trackpad. Definitely the way to go in 2019. Typing on its keyboard also felt good, with keys that are spaced out just enough and feel nice and clicky. Over here on the top is its one-touch power button with a built-in fingerprint scanner. Just press and hold to unlock your device instantly. Oh, and one more thing. If you recall on the MateBook X Pro, the camera was hidden under one of the keys. While that was a cool feature, it still was at a less flattering angle. You'll be happy to note that on the MateBook 13, the front camera for video calls is up here where it's supposed to be. The MateBook 13 starts at just under $1,000, and here in the US will hit retail shelves on January 29th. And that was our Huawei MateBook 13 hands-on. For more videos from CES 2019, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we post new videos. Follow us on social media for all the fun stuff. And as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. From here in Las Vegas, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.